Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in another video. The PC parts are coming along, guys. Look, and we got the tower here. Everything is coming along, guys. We just need to actually put it in the PC and get everything sorted. So yeah, but today we're going to be unboxing these two items. So let me move everything out of the way. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Startech 3.5-inch mounting kits. So the reason I got this is because in my case I have two 3.5-inch drive bays, but I don't plan to use any 3.5-inch drives because I want to use SSDs in all my drives. I want speed is all that matters on this PC build. I want this as a high-end PC build with power and speed to match everything I need. That's why we're doing this. So my motherboard takes 4 M.2s. I've already bought 3 of them. The 4th one I'm gonna wait till the prices drop on a 4TB one and then buy a big one. These are just 1TB ones. So far I've got 3TB in space, and say I do get the fourth one, which is 4TB, that'll be 3 at 4, 7TB just in M.2 space, which is good. And then for these SSD ones, I can have the benefit of this is you can make 2 SSD slots out of this one slot. So instead of having one 3.5-inch bay where you can only have one hard drive in there, you can have 2 smaller ones in there, which is the SSD size anyway. So I can run I have 2 3.5-inch drives and two normal 2.5-inch drive slots on my PC case, and my motherboard supports 6 anyway, 6 SATA slots, whatever. So I can have 6 hard drives of these. So you'll have 2 from this, 2 from this, and 2 from the 2.5-inch bays in there. So then it'll be using the full capacity of the motherboard, which is good. Full capacity of the case and the motherboard. That's the main reason I bought this. Very good idea. So yeah, I'll show you how this all works. But yeah, that's my reasoning behind it. So what you get in it is some screws, which is obviously needed. I think there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, they give you the full set. That's not bad. Okay, screws. You got the SATA cables, power cables. There's your SATA to SATA. So 2 SATA cables to 1 SATA thing. You got your 2 power cables. This is the actual device itself. Have a look. So as you can see, should take this out the pocket, might as well show you how this works. So if you've had a look at a traditional hard drive before, can I show you one right now? Let's have a look. Take this out for you, if I can. Bloody hell, let me move my hand so I can. Let me pause the video so I can use both hands to pull this out, because it's gonna struggle otherwise. Alright guys, finally out. Okay, so here, as you can see, there's loads of screwed holes everywhere. So I'll go get a hard drive so you can see, you can visualize how this is going to work out. So obviously one's going to go at the bottom, one's going to go at the top. They're going to be stacked on top of each other. Oh, I didn't tell you the price of this. It's £5 on eBay and Amazon, whatever. I paid £3.74 each for them, which is not bad. It's not bad at all, guys. So I saved £1.50, is it? £1.25 on each one. So £2.50 saved. It's not bad at all. The thing I'm doing is I'm buying stuff on sale. I don't buy for this PC build. I'm trying to save as much money as I can. So far I'm at 46% save. The value of my PC right now is £3,000. I've paid £1,500. So that's not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. That's why I'm waiting for the 4TB prices to drop on the SSDs. Oh wait, it's not actually 3 grand, because I've not put certain parts that I've ordered, they've not arrived at all. Look at that. So the ones in yellow, they've not arrived, like my graphics card, it got delayed and then pushed back to the end of the year of 2023, which is crazy. So yeah, most likely they're gonna refund me on that one, which is shit. I'd rather have it at a low price, but you know, what can you do? And the SSDs, I've ordered 4 of them, 2TB, 2TB, 1TB, 1TB. But yeah, they're the same issue again, parts shortage. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully they come, but I highly doubt it. If not, then we just get a refund anyway. Right, so I'll go get a hard drive so you can visualize all this. So this is a SSD that I'm going to be using now. It's obviously, this is not going in the PC. I'm going to put fast speed ones in. This is a slow speed one, and it's 120 gig, which is useless for me, too small anyway. But yeah, I'll use this in another PC build, maybe a budget one. Do that in the future for my brother or something. Budget gaming build, modern one. Let's see. Alright, so this is SSD drive. As you can see, I'll show you. Alright, so you got 1, 2, 4 screw holes at the bottom. So that's one way you can attach it, which is how you're gonna have to do on this one. And there's 4 on the side. So one of your hard drives, because this can take two hard drives, so one will go at the bottom. Can you see here? So can you see that's how it's gonna stack up? One will be screwed in from the bottom, so you'll be screwing it in at the bottom here onto there with the nuts, I believe. And then on top of it, you're gonna have another one stacked, and you're gonna use the side holes, these holes here, on the second hard drive. That's how you stack them up and use them. And then yeah, you just connect them up. Should work fine. Okay, so yeah, pretty good kit. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.